Good morning, class 8. So, we are in chapter some natural phenomena, and today I am going to teach you about Richter scale. So, magnitude or intensity of earthquake is measured by Richter scale and which is developed by Charles F. Richter, a US seismologist in 1935 who discovered it, who developed it. Okay, the number indicating the magnitude of intensity on this scale ranges from 0 to 9. Okay, so if the magnitude or intensity of earthquake is heavy, then it gives you largest value, okay, of one's digit. Okay, so this scale is not a linear scale. On this scale, the vibration of the earthquake with a magnitude of 2 are 10 times greater in amplitude. Can those on earthquake with the magnitude of 1, the vibration of earthquake with a magnitude of 8, the 1 million times greater in amplitude than those the earthquake on the magnitude 2, and the severest earthquake is ever recorded had been magnitude of 8.7. So first thing that you need to understand, the maximum intensity or magnitude recorded intensity and magnitude of earthquake recorded till now, okay, all over the world record is 8.7. okay, in this scale it measure 8.7. okay, and on this scale the vibration of earthquake with a magnitude of 2, I am telling you 2 are 10 times greater in amplitude. Okay, we already discussed about amplitude if I teach you about simple pendulum. Okay, so and the vibration of earthquake with the magnitude of 8 are 1 million times. So please understand the concept of amplitude. Okay, so if the magnitude or intensity of earthquake is 2, then 10 times greater in amplitude, and if the magnitude or intensity of earthquake is 8, then an earthquake with the magnitude of 2, then 1 million times greater in amplitude. Okay, so this is the things that you need to understand. The earthquake measuring from 0 to 3 on this scale are often not even noticed. Okay, so it is a very common earthquake. We are not going to notice it when the measuring scale from 0 to 3 on this scale, and often not even noticed. But an earthquake of intensity 4.5 is considered the moderate or can disturb the loose object. So we can feel the intensity 4.5, and it is a moderate. Okay, not higher not lower, it a moderate, and it is enough to disturb loose objects. At intensity 5.5, the earthquake is strong and cause furniture to move and trees to put off. Okay, at the intensity of 6.5, an earthquake can damage weak structure of a house and whatever. Okay, buildings. An earthquake of intensity 8 or more can be very disastrous, and it can destroy entire city. So see how the situation will change from 0 to 3, then after 4.5, then after 5.5, then after 6.5, and then after more than 8 or more than 8. So whatever, whenever the intensity or magnitude of earthquake is around 8 or more than 8, it completely it will destroy your whole country, entire country. And if intensity is around 6.5, an earthquake can damage weak structure, and if the intensity is around 5.5, then it causes furniture to move and tree to put off, and 4.5 is considered as a moderate earthquake. Okay, and from 0 to 3 they are often not noticed. So this is all about this Richter scale. Okay, now let us talk about the main cause of earthquake. Shifting of tectonic plates. What do you understand by tectonic plates? See, the earth's lithosphere so is divided into about 20 part called tectonic plates. So we know that there are so many layers are there. Okay, atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, troposphere. Okay, so the earth's lithosphere is divided into 20 parts, and that is said to be, or the 20 parts called tectonic plates, and these plates float over the hot magma below and are therefore in relative motion to each other, and when these plates collide and to rock at the joint sufficient slippery, and the plates slide over each other and little by little. However, sometimes the rocks at the joints can interlock and get stuck, resisting pressure within, and for the years of forcing pushing the plates build up and up until the strain can be reached to the plate, and the rock crack and shift and sending shock waves of energy in all direction, and when these waves reach the surface they felt as an earthquake. So these tectonic plate cause earthquake, the movement of these tectonic plates, and whatever the wave of energy, okay, sending by rocks after cracking or shifting in all direction, and when these waves reach the surface then we felt as earthquake. So see how the tectonic plates and their movements are given. Okay, so in figure this. Okay, so the point from which the earthquake waves originated, it is known as a seismic focus. Okay, and it lies within the crust of the earth, and the point on the earth's surface vertically above the focus is called epicenter. So please focus on seismic focus and epicenter. Okay, so epicenter is a point on the earth's surface, okay, vertically above the focus. Okay, it's called epicenter. Okay, and the point from which the earthquake waves originated, it is known as a seismic focus, and it is lies within the crust of the earth, and the point on the earth's surface vertically above the focus is called epicenter. Okay, thank you.